patrons. I want to talk to you today about making the FlyLady system your own. I'm going to talk about it again in our live video tomorrow, but I want to talk about it today to give you a heads up and to really let you understand what I mean. So when I say to make the FlyLady system your own, I don't mean recreate the FlyLady system or reinvent the wheel. Everything is here for you. But if you need to juggle it around a little bit, if you need to move the day, that's perfectly okay. If you need to change when you do something and it works for you and the job gets done, it's perfectly okay. The thing I want you to be careful with is to avoid overwhelming yourself by piling too much into one short period of time, like all day, doing your work all day. There's never a need to do that. But if you need to move your free day, you can move your free day. If you want to do your laundry on one day or 2 days and that works for you, that's fine. The trick is, for the laundry, for example, that you don't leave it sitting or that you don't pull it out of the dryer and make mount fold more. We don't want that. So we want to put it away. Each load gets put away, and that's fine. Or you might work a full-time job, and for you, you feel it's better to do all of your zone on Saturday. That's an hour, 4 15-minute units or less, and that's fine. Or you might choose to delegate your zone, which I really don't talk about, but you absolutely can do that. You can delegate anything. All jobs can be delegated to people who have the mental capacity and the physical ability to do those jobs. Like walk and carry a plate. A 3-year-old can do that. So if your 7-year-old is not doing it, or your 14-year-old, or your 24-year-old, or your 45-year-old husband, or your 60-year-old, then maybe we need to talk about a 3-year-old with them. A 3-year-old. When your 3-year-old grandchild comes over, say, carry your plate, put it in the dishwasher. Good. Okay, Grandpa, you do yours. Firm but kind. Firm but kind. Okay, you're not being mean, you're being firm. Firm is a really strong way to be. Remember, we are living in our new strength. That is, it takes strength to be firm. It doesn't mean you're mean. It just means you're serious about this. This is going to happen. You're the CEO, right? But as far as moving things around, I don't want you to feel like you have to explain yourself to me. That's not necessary. If you decide to move a day, or if you think doing your morning routine before the children get up is just not going to ever work for you, and you've chosen not to do it, and when you do it really does work for you, that's fine. I'm going to continue to recommend that you do it before, because for the majority of people, that's going to be the best choice. But I'm talking to the populace, and you are not the general population. You are you. You are unique. Everything about every single one of us is unique, but overall, we kind of fit in the general population thing, and that's who I'm talking to. So I don't want you to take this as a license to create a brand new system for yourself, because I'm afraid you'll end up crying in a corner. But I do want you to think about, maybe you need to move your day. Maybe you can combine car and purse day with errand day, because it's such a little thing for you. You know, and you could have 2 free days from a zone, or from a weekly planning day. And maybe you could do weekly home planning, basic weekly planning. Cuckoo. Basic weekly planning, car and purse. And maybe maybe you want to work for 20 minutes in your zone 4 times a week and not do it 2 times a week. I don't care. As long as it gets done. I don't want you to work for hour after hour. That's what I don't want you to do. I really don't want you to be a perfectionist. I don't want you to be judgmental of yourself or others. I want you to be a teacher. I want you to be firm. I want you to be kind. Kind is an integral part of this. I want you to be the CEO, and I want you to make good decisions. You're smart. You're bright. You're beautiful, and you can do this. So this is what this little chat is about today, and that's about using the system to your advantage, tweaking it to whatever way you need to tweak it. Don't overthink it, don't overplan it, and don't recreate it. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget to be beautiful, because you are beautiful.